Hello and welcome back to the channel. This video covers MCQs based on files and directories in PHP. This is second part of files and directories. This video will help you to study for online exams. Let's begin. For seeing the last time modification of a file, which function is used? Answer is 2, that is file mtype function. Second question is, if you would like to read a file character by character, which function do you use? Answer is third, fgetc. This function is used to read character by character. What is the difference between stat function and fstat function? Answer is B. While fstat function works on open file pointers, whereas stat function works on files specified by path name. Next question is, which of the following functions reads the entire contents of a file? Answer is D. Read file function. This function is used to read the entire content. What should you do if your script is having problem recognizing file endings from a text file saved on a platform different from the one you are reading it on? Answer is A. Change the auto_detect_line_endings ini setting is the answer. Sixth question. The dash function checks if the end of the file has been reached. Answer is D. FEOF. This function checks end of the file. What is the purpose of a base name function? Answer is C. It strips off the path and returns the file name. Next question is, assuming that image.jpg exists and is readable by PHP, how will the following script displayed directly from a browser? Answer is E, that is, it will display it as a broken image. Which function returns and caches the size of a file in bytes? Answer is 2, file size function. rmdir directory function is used for? Answer is 2, it is used to remove empty directory. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on MCQs. This will help you to study for your online exams. Thank you for watching.